Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in the channel. Here's to another cold morning, and yes, there's some snowflakes in the background, but I'm not even gonna look at that. Nope. So today, or last night, windy windstorm. Oh my gosh. So now I'm going around the yard investigating to see damage. I did check on the horses already because everyone knows that's my priority. That's the first thing I check. I feed them, check their fences, and check on them. So anyways, nothing has fell in their paddocks, so that is good. Yeah, let me walk around. So this is the one from a couple of days ago. We had a windstorm and this tree came down, like literally just snapped in half. Like, took out the fence. I mean, it is what it is. It's fixable. It's not the end of the world, but it's just like, holy. I'm trying to figure out where that tree even came from. I'm a little confused. Just bear with me for a second. Okay, clearly snap from here. That's the top of the tree. And where's the tree? Huh. Wonderful. Oh well, that's just one of those mysteries, I guess. Not a big deal, because the moral of the story is that it broke the horse fence. I mean, we're gonna have to, I see some boards have been broken off through the winter because yes, the deer like to come in here. They just do. They jump in, they jump out. Even though the gate is open, we leave it open for that reason. But yeah, apparently they still like to come in here. So, I don't know if you can see, snowing. Oh gosh. Anyway, yes, we still have a lot of snow. For everyone that's wondering, this is crazy this year. Like seriously, the snow has got to stop. So anyways, enough of that. Let's carry on. Let's see what else that wind damage has done. I mean, there's a couple branches and dead trees that falling over there, so that's no big deal. It is what it is. I don't care about that. I don't know, that wind, something else. So the riding arena is up there. And every time we have a windstorm, we have these trees that keep falling down. This one here snapped in half. It's not a dead tree either. So, just to show you the power of that wind, it's been crazy. Give us some spring already. So that's the tree here that snapped and fell down over there on our road. I mean, it's windy. It's windy. So just to show everyone, yes, everyone is fine. Oh, really, she's in here. Oh, apparently she's at the other window. All right, let's go see her on the other side. Hi, girl. Everyone wants to see how you doing. Yeah, we don't like that wind, do we? No, we don't. But she's got her food. She's happy. She's one of my old girls. She's what, 26? 26? 26. Yes. Oh, and here is my other Izzy, who is 24, going on 25. She's doing well as well. The only thing that she did is because honestly when that tree fell, honestly spooked. Can't even imagine when that fell, especially at nighttime. Anyway, so she twisted something. So she's walking a little slow. She's on medication. She's all right. I twist things all the time. Yeah, I really do. All right, so pick up the feed buckets and I'll carry on to show you everyone that is doing just fine. Says the fences are good. Those trees back there, there's a couple down as you can showed you. But yeah, it's and they're calling this all day. OMG. Huh. Oh well. Let's walk over, see everyone, so that I'll save the comments, so that everyone will send messages saying, hey, you just told us they were fine. We want to see that they're fine. So I will come show you, and that way it's a concern. I mean, I get it. I mean, I didn't sleep well at all. I mean, I've even thought of coming out a bunch of times because I couldn't sleep. So, all right, Paisley, you good? You good? You're good. All right. Hemi's coming out to say hi. How you doing, Hemi? You good too? Oh, little camera's a little high. Yep. We're good as well. And then over here, Cinder. Cinder is good as well. Pony's on the other side. Let's go see Pony. As you can see, even though we've had a whole bunch of rain, we still have a lot of snow. Mr. Pony, say hello. Mr. Pony's fine. And then over here we got Destiny. So for the ones that know Destiny, she's a boarder. She's a board horse here. So the boarder will be taking her home soon. So she's only with us for a little while longer. She is going home. So I've had her for, gosh, 5.5, almost 6 years. Yeah, so she is going to go with her family, which is very exciting for her. Right, girl? You get to go home soon. As soon as they have all your fence and all your everything, your shelter done, you're going home. So, yeah. So the trees that I always worry about are these guys. I always worry that they're gonna snap and fall into their pen. I mean, the horses are always here in their shelter, so I'm not really concerned about them being injured in any way. It's just them being freaked out. And, you know, the hole in the fence, depending how big it is, if they can get out. Yeah, those are the ones that concern me. All right, so I'm gonna go grab my buckets. My hands are freezing. I was too anxious to come outside and feed everyone and check up on everyone that I didn't bring any mitts. So, this is not the longest video, not the most educational video. It's just more an update on the crazy weather that we're still getting. That's the never-ending winter. You know what's gonna happen? I mean, we're gonna go straight into summer. It's gonna go this, and then it's gonna go super hot. And then we won't have the in-between. But you know what, at this point, I'm okay with that. I will take the heat. Give me the heat. This is why I love Florida. Jealous. So yeah, so me and Chewy, she's waiting for me. We're gonna grab the buckets, head back in the house, warm up, have some coffee, and yeah, it's gonna be a wrap for today. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up just stuff that's fallen over. I mean, stuff like chairs and that is whatever, but you know, just little things like the door that we have here by the wood stove that we close up. Everything got, you know, right off the hinges. who knows? It is what it is. So yeah, so that is a wrap for today. I appreciate you guys watching, because on my last video we hit the 5,000 subscribers. Like, woohoo! So excited. I'm so thankful. So I'm gonna continue on and I'm gonna push through, and hopefully the next video won't have any snow in it. I keep lying. I keep saying no more snow video, but here we are, still snowing. Anyway, everyone, especially if you're in the south and it's nice and warm, I'm happy for you. I'm jealous. All right, everyone, take care. Thanks for tuning in the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Yes, Chewy. What's the matter? You don't like the wind? Then go in the house. You didn't want to be in the house this morning. All right, I will follow you back. You want me to follow you back? Okay.